medical person.
Okay, I am here to talk about fibula. Get out. Okay. This is
Waiter, trochanter.
Fibula.
the fibula. This is the apex.
Carcar,
one.
Toledo.
The apex.
Railway.
This is the head. This is the neck. This is the neck. And this one is the anterior border. The one is bukol-bukol. It's the anterior border. It's the lateral surface here and the medial surface here. And then you have the lateral malleolus. Lateral malleolus is the bukol-bukol, okay? Lateral malleolus. That is the anterior tubercle.
Linya.
For the posterior tubercle, I mean posterior side, this is the apex. The one is protruding, is the apex. This is the head. This one's the head. And this is the neck of the fibula. Neck of the fibula, this one. And then this is the posterior surface of the fibula. The medial crest, this one. You see this one? This is the medial crest. And then this is the posterior border. You see, this is the anterior border here. And this is the posterior border here, the lower part of the posterior side. And then you have the lateral malleolus. This one, this is the lateral malleolus. And then this malleolar fossa of lateral malleolus. Lateral malleolus and then malleolar fossa of lateral malleolus. That ends it. Okay, next.